Kid becomes a master chef.
In a cozy kitchen, there was a young chef named Ella. Ella loved to cook and dreamed of making yummy dishes. She watched cooking shows and imagined herself cooking like the chefs on TV. One day, Ella decided to try new recipes. But when she cooked, her food didn't turn out right.
Oh no!
She sighed. Ella felt disappointed and thought maybe she should give up. But then, her grandma came to help and said, "Please, kindly like and subscribe to Asekong for more videos like this. Your support means a lot. Thanks." Ella, follow your heart and be yourself, Grandma said with a smile. With new energy, Ella started cooking again, adding her own special touch to each dish. This time, the food was delicious. Everyone loved her cooking and cheered for her. Ella learned that being true to yourself and following your passions can lead to delicious success. Moral lessons. Be yourself, always be true to who you are. Follow your passion, doing what you love makes you happy. Don't give up, even when things go wrong, keep trying. Listen to advice, sometimes others can help us see the way. Joy in sharing your talents with friends brings joy to everyone. From that day on, Ella cooked with joy and shared her delicious food with everyone. If you loved this story, don't forget to join us and subscribe to our channel for more fun and inspiring stories.
My word bank. Chef.
Recipe.
Disappointed.
Twist.
Passion.
Thanks for watching.